Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet channel. Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head Veterinary Medicine here. Here we discuss important bacterial disease and Enterotoxemia type C, and in part 1 we will discuss synonym, introduction, etiology and epidemiology. Synonym of Enterotoxemia type C. The synonym is struck. The struck is a past tense of a strike. Struck means something hit and caused death or severity all of a sudden. It is called strike. So here struck is a past tense of strike. Now here the disease behave in the same way. Clostridium perfringens type C is the cause, and in adultship it causes rapid sudden death. Rapid sudden death is a struck. Case fatality rate may reach 100%. That is struck. And the struck is characterized by acute enteritis, peritonitis, and toxemia and death. Introduction of Enterotoxemia type C. Disease occur in a sporadic way, but occasional outbreaks are also observed. It produces acute infection. Disease is non-contagious. It causes struck, that is rapidly fatal disease of adultship. That's why it is struck. The disease observed commonly in lambs, especially reared on milk replacement. The change in the feed or disturbance of dietary changes that causes the Clostridium perfringens proliferate and disease occur. Introduction of Enterotoxemia type C. The disease is more commonly occurring, especially in young animals. Disease has a seasonal occurrence caused by Clostridium perfringens type C. It causes hemorrhagic enterotoxemia in very young animals, lambs, calves, piglets, and foals. And in adult, it causes enterotoxemia in adult cattle, sheep, goat, and pigs. Discussing etiology of Enterotoxemia type C. Disease is caused by Clostridium perfringens type C. This organism produces major toxins, beta and alpha toxin. They are potent toxins responsible for pathogenesis causing disease. It also produces minor toxins, theta and delta toxins, which has a less role in production of the disease, but it causes damage in the body. Overall, the Clostridium perfringens is a gram-positive organism. They are spore-forming and anaerobic bacteria. Continue the etiology. Clostridium perfringens type C. Of the two major toxins, the beta toxin plays a major role in the pathogenesis of disease. So disease seriousness is because of the beta toxin. And this beta toxin is considered as most important virulence factor for causing the disease and type C infections. We discuss here epidemiology, prevalence of infection. The disease is mostly reported from UK, Germany, New Zealand, and the US. The Clostridium perfringens type C has many subtypes, and these subtypes has a specific geographic distribution and has a different affinity for certain species of livestock. So it produces variety type of the disease in various geographical places. The occurrence of strep is on a seasonal basis. So it is a seasonal disease and mainly occur during winter or a spring cold season. Prevalence of infection. This is commonly occurring during cold weather. This is more observed during lambing period. Maybe the more susceptible lambs are there, the incidences are more. The case fatality rate is very high, 100%, and that's why it is called as struck. The struck of adult sheep occur primarily when the sheep are on pasture, especially in non-vaccinated animals. The prevalence of struck ranges from 5 to 15%. Predisposing factors: when there is close talking or confinement for a long time in a shade, that the animals are coming more and more in contact. At the same time, close talking, overstocking is also a stress factor which grossly contaminate the environment. Young animals of all species are highly susceptible. The disease is predisposed by digestive malfunction. That means sudden dietary changes causes imbalance of the normal intestinal microflora. And due to this, it favors the overgrowth of Clostridium perfringens type C. Predisposing factors. The disease is predisposed by concurrent infection with other pathogens, especially in the intestine. This intestinal pathogen changes the intestinal environment and it favors the proliferation of type C in the intestine and the disease precipitated. Similar way, poor quality feed facilitate infection. Excessive feeding of milk causes stress in the intestine, change in the microflora of the intestine, and proliferation of type C. Sources of infection of type C: environmental contamination with feces from infected animal. Infected animal pass large number of organisms into the environment and it contaminates everything. It contaminates shade, it contaminates premises, it contaminates walls, feed, water. So this contamination is an important source of infection. So feces is the main source of infection. Transmission of perfringens type C. The disease is transmitted from one animal to other animal, diseased animal to healthy animal. by ingestion of infected feed and water. The organisms are excreted in feces and it contaminates the whole environment. The close contact with infected animal also transmit the disease. The Clostridium perfringens type C can live for a very long period in the intestine of a carrier animal without causing disease. But whenever there is any stress, change in the environment of the microflora of the intestine, this type C proliferate and produce disease. So it remain in the intestine for a long time. Susceptible host. The disease is commonly found in very young animals up to 2 to 3 weeks of age, in lambs, calves, foals, piglets. Different subtypes has a different affinity in different geographical areas that we already seen. And in young animals, it produces hemorrhagic and protoxemic in young animals. But in adult, it produces enterotoxemia in adult cattle, sheep, goat, and pigs. And we have already seen that Clostridium C has a variety type of subtypes. These subtypes has a different geographical distribution and different susceptibility to the species or affinity to the species. Friends, we have discussed synonym, introduction, definition, etiology, and various epidemiological factors and important information in this video. Request you to share this information to veterinary students and veterinarians for the service of the animal kind. To promote the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.